Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to hide cells. So if you want to hide cells, you can set for the custom format into 3 semicolon. Like I will select at these cells, right click, go to format cells and click customs. After it you can set the type in here into 3 times semicolon and click OK. So it will be automatically hide the cells and you can see this value in the formula bar like this example 1. I will click again for example 3. You can right click, go to format cells, customs and change into 3 semicolon, click OK. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to hide cells. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.